my Thomas and Friends collection, so please enjoy. Here's Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Salty, Diesel 10, the red diesel. I mean the orange diesel. One Railway Hero, Hank, Annie and Clarabelle, Bill. When sometimes his ladder do this, watch. But I like it like that way too. I like it that way, okay? So anyway, Pageant Hero, Spencer, Soda Line Caboose, Murdoch, the Scrapyard Tinker, shows a truck with coal in it, the Green Diesel, Toad, and Captain. Here are my other trains made of wood. Derek, Diesel 199. I call him Spancan, but here's Flying Scotsman, Old Slow Coach, Thundernet. Sometimes that's what happens there. Susie, Spencer, Neville, Hector, the other Diesel 10, Fast Train, Oliver, Douglas, Mighty, Mac. Here are my vehicles, Max, Buster, Kelly, Oliver, and Butch. Here are my other trains of the world. This is the biggest, okay? I like this channel, this area. Bert, Gordon, Hero, the other Gordon again, Railway Hero, Arthur, James, Charlie, Duck, Stephanie, Stanley, Scaroli, Reneus, Percy, Dodge, Bash, Spencer, Toby. That's his mom's favorite on the train. Sir Handle, Scruff, and wait, and this is my favorite train, Peter Sam. Duke, Harvey's coach, Green coach, Fearless Freddy, The Rock, that's Rocky there, Mavis, Diesel 10, Victor, Bill. Oh, whoops. Bill, Salty, Molly, Henry, Donald, Rusty, forget about that. Dart, Boko, with, wait. Oh, right here. Donald, Tanger, Duncan, Flynn, and the Duke and Duchess on the coach. And Dart, Boko, with, Dennis, Diesel, and here are my freight cars. Red freight car, light blue freight car, and here's the rip at the freight car, but it is okay. When I was a little baby, I ripped it. An accident. Dark blue freight car, light green freight car, a freight car with sleeping bags, a box car, oil tanker, shows a truck with garbage. It is stinky a little bit. The guy just cleaned it, and the I saw it in the movie. I have a dream about that. Log freight car, flatbed car, paint car, and a changer car. Watch this. Watch this if it does.
Ooh.
It can do that. The workers' cars. And here's my hoses. It can open. It's red. Like James's Splinter red coat.
Okay.
But James's tanker is missing at the first aisle. But it's okay. I pretend it's tanker over there, okay? Here are my cabooses. The light blue caboose, black caboose, a light blue caboose. The blue caboose has gray wheels. Blue caboose has black wheels. Misty Island caboose and Misty Island caboose. Here are my St. Thomas's. Gordon Thomas, Thomas in the pink car, Snowy Thompson with a snowplow. And here are my cranes, Cranky, and a craner. And and here's my signs of. Here's my signs of. They made of wood. So it's a railway sign, bike sign, one-way sign, triangle sign, and a traffic light sign. It's so and here's my old side sites right here. Here's Old Side Thomas, another Old Side Thomas, Old Side Bash. Then there's Bash. Here's that Old Side Bash, another Old Side Thomas, and Old Side Victor. And one right here. Here's Talking Old Diesel 10. And here's my cards. Derek card, Slow Coach card, Toad card, Percy card, James card, Chuck card. Then Mom's favorite card is Toby's card. And here's my book. Thomas and Friends book when you open things. Thank you for watching me. See you later.